This came out of the trash, and I'm trimming around the edges with a small art brush before I use a larger brush. And I made a couple of embellishments to cover the hearts up. I'm not real crazy about hearts. Bought some clay, and I will use this in one of these molds, flowers, and then cover that. The clay you can get at craft shops. The mold I got at Junkie Monkeys in Flint. I've painted this, so now I'm going to add my embellishments. And what I do is try to set them where they look like they're sitting the same way. Okay, my wood is dry now. It's like a mini, well, it was from Dollar Tree, but it's like a mini sheet of paneling. And so I'm putting my stencil on it, and I tape the bottom where there's not any writing, and now I'm going to tape the sides. Chalk paste and one of these little sponge, I don't know if you call it a brush or what, but anyways, so I'm going to start at the top, of course, and I'm kind of holding it down because I've used this before just to keep it in place, and just bounce it up and down on the letters. But I'm holding it as I go because, like I said, I've used this stencil, so it might have a tendency to move a little bit. Also, if you think it might be too thick when you put it in the paste, you can just dab it a little bit. This paste I got at Joann's Fabric. It's called chalk paste, and I like the way it works with stencils. And I'll show you now what this looks like. I thought, since I'm working on pink decorations, I took a little white paint and mixed some red in it to make pink. And what I want to do is just get it in the crevices. Now I want to come back and wipe most of it off.